Hi, I'm Sophia, designer here at Michael's Salon, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a waterfall braid. I'm going to start with some detailing cream on my hands to keep the strands smooth. You're going to start with 3 strands like you would a normal French braid. Just cross them over the top, adding some hair to the top strand. And when you get to the bottom strand, you're going to drop most of it and then add hair like you would a normal French braid. And keep braiding like that until you get to the middle of the back of her head, dropping strands from the bottom. Once you get to the back of the head, I'm going to clip that section out of the way. Do the same thing on the other side. So you have your 3 strands. You're just going to drop most of that bottom strand before you add hair. It creates the waterfall effect. And once you get all the way to the back with that section, you can combine both sides into one braid. Now you can finish it off just like that, but I'm going to dress it up a little bit and make the braid into a flower. So there's the waterfall braid, and I'm Sophia from Michael's Salon.